Hello, and thanks for dropping in. So, I am randomly picking which round chip I will go for. And is that? I think I'm actually between two chips. It is hard to tell. Maybe. Where are we? 2, 4. Alright, I believe I'm going to put a little black mark on here, which actually does nothing. That's brilliant. Just a moment. Let me get a Sharpie. That was a Sharpie. That will help me be able to see what it is and what I'm taking. Now, I am pretty sure that what I have here. Ooh, that light is hot. Ooh, that light is hot. Where I am here, I'm pretty sure this here is actually a chip that I want. So I have my soldering iron. It is definitely warm. And I'm going to lay on the de-soldering iron. Ooh, that did absolutely nothing. And that did not do much. Oh, boy. Let's see what this one does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that did better. Let me try this one. Oh, this one's on a big bus. I'll leave it a little longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that did not really. Not really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. That did okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that did okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I may be on there a little longer than I have to be. But remember, this is a scrap board. And I picked this chip randomly. This one also seems to be on a bigger bus thing here. But I think it did okay. Alright, so we're going for the second row. It does seem that the little pads on this board are mighty tiny. Remember, we need, this isn't just stripping for the sake of stripping. We need to get this chip out for the pet. And hopefully this one works. It's almost time, but not quite time. Almost time to gently put the iron down. Shake out the hand, and then look and see where we're at. Alright, we're coming along. I think there's just 3 more. There are 18 pins on this chip. And we gotta get them all solder free. So the chip very nicely gives it up and comes out. So this connection here. This one pesters me. If I take the screwdriver, I can move things around a little bit and see if things, you know what, I think they could all use a little encouragement. But especially this one in the corner. This one actually might be one where I decide to hit it with some more solder. Well, that might have done okay. Always squeeze out the ball away from the board. So I'm now going down the line here. Just trying to get the pins away from the side where they might tend to stick. And not want to come out. Actually, you know what? I don't need to be holding the ball here, because I'm really not. Just trying to free up the pins. That one looks like it could use a little move. As does that one. Whew, that one I can't really see. Okay. That's one thing I forgot to do, go upstairs and grab my other better glasses. So, here, that's the chip that I believe that I have released. So I am prying. Ooh, look at that. With great care. I'm going to go to this side. I really need a better light here. Okay, I'm prying from that side. Now, it feels like something. Ooh! Looky. It's out. Whew. Okay. That is one. If I turn it over. Well, the board is trying to fall off the table. That is one 2114 chip. And that, if what I've been told is correct, I should be able to plunk it this chip into the PET, and if the chip is working, it should work. So, there are 10 more chips to take out. I'm not doing that now at all. I'm just going to get the board back in position where it's not going to fall down. And I will say thank you very much for coming. And we will see what we see. Oh, one thing I see. Oh, no. This whole video was done in the wrong configuration, as in it's going to be vertical, not horizontal. We'll fix that next time. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.